Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to solve another math problem which reads if a plus b is equals to 69, a minus 34 to the power of 25 plus b minus 35 to the power of 25 plus 2 is equals to what? So we want to solve the whole of this. So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe, and by the time you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop videos on math. So this is 69. We're having 69 here. So if a plus b is equals to 69, a minus 34 to the power of 25 plus b minus 35 to the power of 25 plus 2 is equals to what? So we want to simplify this further. Okay, we can say solution in order for us to solve this. Solution. To say solution, we can write a plus b is equals to 69, right? Okay, recall 69 is also equals to 34 plus 35. So since we're having 69 is also equals to 34 plus 35, so we can say a plus b is equals to 34 plus 35. Okay, so we've gotten this. Let's bring the whole of this to the left hand side. So we are going to have a plus b minus 34 minus 35 all equals to 0. Okay, since we've done this, so what are we simply going to do? We'll bring this one here, then bring this one here. So we are going to have something like this: a minus 34 plus b minus 35 all equals to 0. We can simply put a bracket so that we won't confuse it for others. So we're now having open bracket a minus 34 plus open bracket b minus 35 close bracket all equals to 0. So what are we simply going to do? We are going to bring the whole of this to the right hand side of the equation. So we can simply say a minus 34 is equals to minus b open bracket minus open bracket b minus 35 close bracket. So we will now have a minus 34 equals to minus open bracket b minus 35. So this is what we are now having now. So the whole of this, a minus 34 is equals to minus open bracket b minus 35 close bracket. And recall from our question we are having this a minus 34 to the power of 25. So wherever we see a minus 34, we can put minus b minus open bracket b minus 35 close bracket. So if we should do that, we are now having, we can rewrite the question again, which is a minus 34 all to the power of 25 plus open bracket b minus 35 all to the power of 25 plus 2 is equals to what? Okay, so we've gotten this. So what are we simply going to do? We said a minus 34 is equals to minus open bracket b minus 35 close bracket. Okay, so in the place of a minus 34, we can simply put this. So we are now having open bracket minus open bracket b minus 35 close the bracket all to what? 25 plus open bracket b minus 35 close bracket all to 25 plus this 2. Okay, since we are now having this, recall we can simply put in this. So we can simply write this to be minus 1 times open bracket b minus 35 close bracket to the 25 plus open bracket b minus 35 all to 25 plus 2. So this is what we are now having. So we can put in this. So we are going to have minus 1 to the power of 25 times, you can put a bracket here, times open bracket b minus 35 to the power of 25, right, plus open bracket b minus 35 all to the power of 25 plus 2. Okay, we are now having this. What are we now having? We are having open bracket minus 1 close bracket to the power of 25 times open bracket b minus 35 to the power of 25 plus open bracket b minus 35 to the power of 25 plus 2. So we are having this. What then is our next step? Let's move on to the next step. Recall we are now having open bracket minus 1 close bracket to the power of 25 times open bracket b minus 35 close bracket to the power of 25 plus open bracket b minus 35 to the power of 25 plus 2. Okay, this is what you have to note. A negative number to the power of an odd number is going to give you a negative value, while a negative value to the power of an even value is going to give you what? A positive value. So as you can see, we are having negative 1 to the power of 25, and 25 is an what? Is an odd number, so it's going to give us what? Minus 1. It's going to give us a negative value. So if we say open bracket minus 1 to the power of 25 is going to give us what? Minus 1 times open bracket b minus 35 all to the power of what? 25 plus open bracket b minus 35 all to the power of 25 plus 2. So this times this is going to give us a negative open bracket b minus 35 all to the power of what? 25 plus open bracket b minus 35 close the bracket all to the power of 25 plus 2. Okay, this is what we are now having. Recall from a basic mathematics, if you are having minus a to power of b plus a to the power of b is also equals to 0. So this and this together will become 0. So we are now having 0, which implies 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. So therefore our answer is 2. So 2 is our answer. So the simplification for that question, a minus 34 to the power of 25 plus b minus 35 to the power of 25 plus 2 is equals to, so our answer is 2. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop videos on mathematics. And also please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button. Bye for now, and see you in my subsequent videos. Thank you.